Hi everyone, this is Leah from Charlie Darwin Textiles, and I'm so excited because you might have noticed I just started offering printed paper sewing patterns on my website. This is a first. I've been just doing PDF sewing patterns in the past for you to buy, but now you can actually get the printed copy shipped straight to your door. So I'm so excited. I actually just received my first official copy of the Ladybird sewing pattern from the pattern printer. They are going to be shipping all of my sewing pattern orders straight to your door super fast. They ship within 2 business days. It's been a really fantastic experience, and I think you're going to love the new printed patterns. Okay, I'm going to open up the package and take you with me. All right, I'm sort of unboxing my first Charlie Darwin printed sewing pattern. I'm getting them printed from Tape Free Patterns, and so if you order from Charlie Darwin, either a Pattern Pro or the Ultimate Sewing Kit, then you're going to receive a printed pattern like this one. It'll be shipped straight to your door, and already it's so cute. They got my full logo printed on it. That looks amazing. So nice of them to be able to customize it for me. Inside, it looks like we've got a envelope with all of my pattern pages inside. It's got my logo real big on it, so cute. And then the front of the envelope is really cool. They leave a space so that you could put the pattern name, you could draw a sketch of it on here, and then any notes. So you have all those on the outside of the pattern itself. So that's awesome. Okay, when we open it up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, there should be 5 pages for the Ladybird. It ended up having to be quite a lot of giant pages because some of these pieces are so huge, like the skirt and even the sleeve took up a whole page. It looks so good. It's all printed in color. It's really clear, crisp design. Very easy to read. Oh, that looks so good. I'm excited to see how the instructions turned out. They couldn't do like an instruction booklet for me, so they did it similar to how you would find like a pattern, like a McCall's pattern, from the store, where all of the instructions are sort of tiled out in order on the page. Oh, this is awesome. Oh, it looks so good. So I think the font turned out really nice. I think super easy to read if you're someone who has a little bit more trouble with that. It's not too tiny. Everything came out really crisp and bold. Here's a look at it from this side. And then over on our second, actually I think this is the first page of instructions, you'll also find like your pattern notes sheet, pattern piece inventory, sewing project checklist. It's all here. It looks so good. All right, go ahead and check out my new printed pattern options over at charliedarwintextiles.com. I'm currently converting all of my sewing patterns over to having the printed paper option. So just that'll take a little bit of time. Right now, the Ladybird pattern is what I've got ready for you, and one by one, you'll see the rest of them start to pop up as options to get the paper pattern. Okay, woohoo!